Coming soon to OrCAD X Cloud, schematic and PCB viewers with the design review and markup. The schematic viewer gives you a complete view of the entire schematic project. You can select components, nets, or any object in the schematic to see the properties. You can use the design review feature to add markup and comments to the schematic. The PCB view lets you change the visibility for all layers and objects. Same as the schematic, you can select any object in the layout to see the properties and information for that object. You can use the measure command to determine the spacing between any two visible objects. You can use the design review feature to add markup and comments in the web viewer. This design review will be visible to anybody opening the same layout design in the OrCAD X or Allegro X desktop solution.